The sixth edition of cultural activity called Leppi Donkin, annually organized by United Zone Fulbe during Eid al-Adha, or locally known as Tobaski or Donkin, is a unique platform where the different Fula cultural attires are promoted. The First Lady, Her Excellency Fatoumata Bah Barrow, and Deputy Speaker of the National Assembly, Honorable Sidi S.K. Njai, with a high-powered delegation, ably represented the President, His Excellency Adama Barrow, as the chief guest of honor of the occasion. Honorable Sidi Njai renewed President Barrow's commitment in supporting the cultural group over the years for the role they continue to play in the development of the country.
As government and His Excellency President Adama Barrow is committed to supporting the support and the encouragement of cultural teaching and of course our languages, our traditions. That's why we are here. And President Barrow over the last 4 years has been sending in delegation, and he has been of course the chief guest of honor for every year of this United Zone Fulbe Leppi Donkin, and he sent his best wishes and fraternal greeting to all Fullers in the Gambia, and he commended them for being very steadfast, for being committed to work, for being committed to education, for being committed to discipline, and of course, Fullers are known for law-abiding.
Lamin Pili Jallow, the president of United Zone Fulbe, said the objective of the body is to promote unity, peace among the Fulani, preserve the rich African culture and language for generations to come. Jallow expressed appreciation to all who continued to partner with them in making the event a success.
So e culture ko nedi e jokkere enna. Haray so yiɓe mo baɓe tedduɓe ɗo fof ɓe wawi senade ɗo ko fi yiɗugol culture men fi yiɗugol pulago ngo. Hande Afrique hewti joni ka wawe wonande hoore men wona pulago gonton. Culture ji ɗin fop mo kala innin Adamu, woni ka ceɗɗo, woni ka joola, woni ka séeréer, enen africain ɓe ɓe wakkilode wonen ko wonɗen kon. Chinese ɓe ɓen ɗo woni ko ɓe woni kon. Français ɓen ɗo woni ko ɓe woni kon. Indian ɓen ɗo woni ko ɓe woni kon. Arabu ɓen ɗo woni ko ɓe woni kon. Eɓe windude bindi maɓɓe, ɓe janga bindi maɓɓe, ɓe ɓorno ɓornateri maɓɓe. So enen kadi winde bindi men ɗe mari pulaar, inete ɗo Allah e mari pulaar, e mari haalago kadi inte ka inko, ɗum fof ko Afrique jeeyi. Wakkilode wuuren eko jeyɗon ko, waɗen develop eko jeyɗen ko.
Mayor Talib Bensouda also hailed the youth organization for the role they continue to play supporting communities in the Kanifing municipality. Mayor Bensouda recalled the group's intervention supporting floods and fire victims in the municipality. The guest speaker of the day, Professor Cherno Omar Bari, said culture defines who we are as Fullers and Africans in general. Leppi Donkin, Professor Bari went on to explain, is a good move and a platform to showcase the African talent to effect the needed positive change to develop the continent.
Let every minister, every mayor, every mover of policy hear this. A nation that celebrates its culture builds bridges, not walls. Let our national budgets reflect the weight of our wisdom. Let our curricula sing the songs of our soil. To the youth, rise like the morning call. O children of Pullo blood, hear me well. You are not shadows of the past. You are the voice of tomorrow's drumbeat. Use your talents, not to mimic others, but to mirror your true. Dance, but let your feet tell a story. Sing, but let your lyrics teach a people. Tweet, but let your hashtags hold heritage. The world is watching, and the world is in need of a new rhythm, an African rhythm. Let it begin with you.
The historic event saw cultural dances, artistic performances, educational dramas, and poems in the midst of thousands of audience with beautiful cultural attires, encouraging United Zone Fulbe to continue promoting peace and unity through culture, a move they said should be emulated by others. Kadija Tujalo, Fulbe TV.